everyone, Catherine here at Shenandoah Ford. Just want to let you know that with the purchase of a vehicle from our dealership, your very first oil change and tire rotation are absolutely free of charge, and every Virginia state inspection is free for life. Every time you come in for service, your vehicle is going to be run through our state-of-the-art car wash. If you have a vehicle in for service, don't worry. We usually have about 5 vehicles in our loaner service for you to drive. So stop on in at Shenandoah Ford, Front Royal, Virginia. Make sure to ask for Catherine Adams when you arrive.